Hello, welcome to the planning editor training. Uh, we started with opening up an MXT, and in this MXT, as you may note, that um, all of these layers are with red exclamation points, and you don't see anything on the map. And so basically, this is an MXT with broken links, which is how you may get it when you first get it from, let's say, you get it from ITGIS or like from anybody else. So let's assume that this is what happens. And this could happen because the version that this MXT was initially created with could have been deleted or for any other reason. So how we fix this problem is you give a right click on one of the layers and especially go to the planning layers because you know what they are and so it's easy. There are a lot of other reference layers, but it's just easier to know with the data that you're going to be editing. So now you should go to data and repair data source. And then it takes a minute to show up, but when it does, you will be having the database show up and then you'll have to navigate and find that layer. Okay. So finally, that data source layer shows up and you are in traffic, but you actually want to go and find your planning data set. So you are looking for the in your database connection that you may already have created. You will go to planning, and then in planning, you basically have the zoning official, and then you say add. Okay. Now fixing one layer should fix the remaining of all the layers. So we just, it takes a while, but it's going to eventually fix all of the layers. Okay, so this is done. And what you see here, not only did it fix the zoning official, but it's also taken care of all the other layers, including circulation current and the CAD city limit. And if you go here, you can see that it's pointing to the default version right now, and then it's basically showing all of it. Okay, now if you want to switch to a different version, you can give a right click and say change version, and then let's say we go to this version here. Okay, and then you say okay. It may take a few seconds, but it will update with the new version there. Okay, so that's how you fix a broken MXT. Make sure that you save your MXT as soon as you make this change, so you can save it. Okay, don't forget to save. So that's how you fix the links in an MXT where the data sources are broken. Thank you.